Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I make my easy cherry brown sugar glazed ham. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Okay, here I have ham and I bought a honey ham and it's 8 pounds. And it says spiral sliced, which means it's already pre-sliced, which is gonna be easier for you to cut it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to unwrap it. The ham comes with the glaze already, but I'm not going to use that glaze. I'm going to make my own glaze. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna score the ham. There are some areas where it's not pre-cut, that's why I'm slicing it, guys. This ham is pre-cooked. Now let's move on to make cherry brown sugar glaze. In a small saucepan, add 1 cup of pineapple juice and the juice from the bottle of the red cherries. We are also adding in 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 cup of honey. We're gonna give this a good stir until all the butter has melted. Then we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Then mix well. Allow the glaze to cook for 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. Back to the ham. Place the pineapples on the ham and hold them with a toothpick. I usually use 1 for each pineapple. Then we're gonna place cherries in the middle of the pineapple holes. Stick a toothpick through it. Repeat the same process until the ham is covered with pineapple slices and cherries. This is my go-to recipe for Christmas holidays. Already, the color that the cherry brings, it makes this pop out, guys. Then I'm gonna stick whole cloves into the ham and pineapples. Next, we are going to pour the cherry glaze all over the ham, just like so, guys. I just love the color that red cherry juice gives it, guys. It looks beautiful. Cover with the foil and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. And halfway through, we're gonna baste the ham with the juices. There you have it, guys. Mama Bui's cherry brown sugar glazed ham. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. Guys, this ham is so good. You need to try it. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.